A South African 3D motion animator that I know started selling tutorials on Patreon, and now he makes a passive income every month. Number 1, productize what you know. What this means is turning your skills into sellable offers. Instead of trading your time for money, package your knowledge into digital products. An example can be an ebook, a template, an online course, a paid newsletter. Here's what you need to do. Ask yourself, what skill do I already have that someone would pay to learn? And then start with a simple downloadable guide or mini course. What he does really well is he uses his YouTube channel to explain the projects that he's done for clients, and people learn from that and pay to learn from the projects that he's worked on. That is how you productize your knowledge. Step number 2, leverage global freelance and remote work platforms. They are platforms that exist like Upwork, Fiverr, and Contra, which are literally gold mines for African freelancers and creatives. The trick is to not compete on low prices, compete on value. Let me give you an example. Nigerian developers are making 6 figures online by offering AI automation services to global clients. Let that sink in for a second. Here's what you can do in order to take advantage of this step. Create a profile on Upwork, Fiverr, or Contra and offer one highly valuable skill. Do this consistently and you will grow a reputation where people will use your skills on a regular basis. Boom, you've got another income stream. That is how you go global via your skills.